Hello, my name is Edgar Heron, Principal Product Marketing Director for Oracle's Data Management Cloud Services. And with me today is Monica Kumar, Vice President of Product Marketing for Oracle Cloud Platform, focused on Oracle Database and Big Data. Our goal today is to get a better understanding of how Oracle Cloud, and specifically Oracle's Data Management Cloud Services, are bringing value to small and mid-sized organizations. Monica, Oracle has always been synonymous with enterprise. How are we propagating a message to small and medium businesses about our cloud platform?
Yeah, thank you for having me, first of all, Edgar. I'm glad to be here. I'm going to share a metric with you that'll surprise you. Did you know that 75% of our over 400,000 plus database customers today are small and mid-sized organizations? I don't think most people know that, right? We know SMB market really well. We know that they want to get access to the latest technology at the lowest price point. And we believe that cloud computing is actually enabling the SMB organizations to do that. In fact, I believe that cloud is helping bridge the technology divide between enterprises and the small and mid-sized organizations. We know how important this market is. In the US alone, it's about $55 billion in terms of the size. So this is an important space for Oracle, and we're definitely addressing it with a lot of different solutions that are relevant for the SMB space.
Would you be able to take a moment now and maybe elaborate on some of the key use cases that SMBs are utilizing in the cloud and with data management services?
Absolutely. I mean, if you look at the research, it shows that SMBs are primarily using cloud for web hosting, for productivity tools and applications like CRM, HR, etc., and then also database tools, development tools, mobile tools, etc. And if you look at the spectrum of the services offered by Oracle Cloud Platform and Oracle Cloud in general, we actually address all of those use cases with our solutions. I think the important point is that with our solutions, we actually help the SMB scale from a smaller organization, and as they grow into larger organizations, we have the technology that can enable the SMBs organizations to do that. In addition, the unique value proposition of Oracle technology is that we also help them preserve their existing investment, right, in their IT in-house, and then take that to the cloud. So only Oracle actually provides a way to create a real hybrid environment where you can integrate your on-premises environment as well as cloud technologies and have a seamless interaction between the two, thereby again helping them preserve their investment, lowering their costs, and yet scaling the organization with business growth.
A recent survey indicated that 32% of SMBs were highly concerned that their competitors were using technology in a better sense than they were. How is Oracle helping them implement their data management strategies, and how are SMBs different from enterprise customers in this regard?
Now they're realizing that the spreadsheets cannot handle the volume of the data, the variety, and the velocity with which they are generating data. So a spreadsheet is not really the right technology anymore for them to give them the right performance and insights into data. And they're realizing they need to actually find something that's more modern and fast and easy access, which can scale as their companies are growing, right, and becoming enterprises.
Thank you for those very compelling customer examples. So how is the Oracle Autonomous Database helping customers with their data management strategies, and why should they go right to the cloud?
Sure. If you think about the lack or limitation of resources or the constraints, SMB organizations even have more so of it, right? Lack of IT staff. Oftentimes, they might even have one or two DBAs even to manage the entire solution set, right? They are supporting customers with. They have challenges in handling the complexity of the solutions and the technology. So I think the new announcement that we made, which is called Autonomous Database, that's a new category of services Oracle's launching, is actually really perfect for SMB organization, in my opinion. What we're doing with Autonomous Database is that we are making our cloud service, database cloud services, self-driving, self-securing, and self-repairing. And let me explain to you what I mean by that. What I mean is that if you're a DBA or IT professional, you no longer have to manually administer your databases. So we are automating the provisioning of databases, the patching of databases, the backing up, restoring, monitoring, management of databases. We are even automating the application of security patches, encrypting data. And last but not least, we are actually automating the availability. In case of an unplanned downtime, we take care of making sure the databases come up automatically. So we are actually now with this technology guaranteeing to our customers that the downtime will be 2.5 minutes or less per month, including planned and unplanned. So if you think about all these tasks that we are taking away from the DBA's hands, and then we're giving them now the opportunity, as part of this SMB organization, to focus on more innovative stuff, to focus on being the data architects, to focus on architecting the applications, to focus on security best practices, right? So we believe this is a great example of how SMBs can benefit immensely from all the automation that we're providing in our technology, and so they can then focus on expanding their business.
Monica, you mentioned that there were several products under the Oracle Autonomous Database umbrella. One of the new products is the Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse Cloud. Would you mind giving us a little bit more insight into this service?
Absolutely. I think this is just the perfect service for small and mid-sized organizations, in my opinion. It's fast, it's easy, and it's elastic. And let me explain to you what I mean by that. Fast. You can actually deploy a data warehouse in a few seconds to minutes, literally from scratch. Imagine being a DBA or IT professional or a business user who can now have access to the data within a few minutes, as opposed to waiting for hours and weeks of their time, right? It's fast in how fast it serves up the results of the queries and how fast you can do analytics with it. So the speed at which it delivers results is also fast. It's easy to use. Like I said, you can get it up and running without literally no human intervention within a few seconds to minutes. So the line of business user can actually start getting value out of it immediately. It's easy in the sense that we provide migration tools for you to migrate existing on-premises data warehouses and data marts to our cloud using this service as well. And then it's also easy in the sense that it's fully integrated with things like data integration technologies, analytics tools. So you can actually pull data in from various sources into your data warehouse, and you can use an Oracle Analytics Cloud to actually gain insights from that data. So pre-integrated solution, easy to migrate to the cloud, fast to deploy, and fast results in terms of how fast the queries are run. Now let me talk about Elastic, because I think that's really important. The way the service is architected, you can actually independently scale storage and compute resources, and you only pay for what you use at any given time. So as a mid-sized organization or a small organization, you don't want to end up paying for stuff you're not using, right? I mean, we know there are other vendors out there who actually do that. And once the meter starts, it doesn't stop till it runs out. With Oracle, the way we've architected is you can start and stop at any time, and then you can, I said, independently scale the storage and compute resources. So to me, this is the perfect service as an example for a small and mid-sized organization in how Oracle's delivering value with Autonomous Database. Now, going forward in the future, we're going to be announcing many other services for transactional workloads, for NoSQL workloads, for graph, etc. And so stay tuned for more on that.
That's a very compelling story, Monica. It sounds like Oracle isn't just launching a series of products, but really defining an entire market segment. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, absolutely. We are all about giving our SMB customers the access to the latest technologies while making sure their costs stay low and they have lower risk and they have more productivity, and ultimately they have faster time to innovation.
Monica, thank you for your time today, and thank you for all the valuable insights you shared with us. For more information, please visit us at oracle.com/database, and thank you for joining us today.